Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are several photo effects which are similar to filters that you can apply to your images. To apply effects to a photo opened in Photoshop Elements, select Window, Effects from the menu bar to open the Effects panel. Alternatively, if using the basic workspace, click the Effects button towards the right end of the taskbar to view the Effects panel. If using Photoshop Elements 2022 or later, there are two tabs at the top of the Effects panel that let you apply either artistic effects or classic effects. Older versions of Photoshop Elements only have the classic effects available. To apply artistic effects, click the Artistic tab if needed. Then click the Style of Artistic Effect to apply in the pane. Optionally, to then keep the original photo colors, check the Keep Original Photo Colors checkbox. To change the intensity of the artistic effect, use the Intensity slider. To apply or remove the artistic effect from the subject or background in the photo, check or uncheck the Subject and/or Background checkboxes, respectively. To reset the photo and remove the effects, click the Reset button in the upper right corner of the Artistic tab. Alternatively, to apply classic effects in Photoshop Elements, click the Classic tab if needed. Then use the Select a Type drop-down at the top of the Classic tab to select a category of classic effects to show in the panel. If desired, you can hover your mouse pointer over the effects in the panel to see their names in a screen tip. Then click an effect in this panel to immediately apply it. Different classic effects are applied in different ways. Some effects create a new layer above the existing layers in the file. Others may change the actual layer that was selected in the Layers panel before applying the effect. To undo a classic effect after applying it, use either the History panel or the Undo command in the menu bar to reverse your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.